start doing it simultaneously. Just a minute. Okay, my this screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down the question. We do the numerical first for this finding the line currents. I am also drawing the circuit. You draw the circuit simultaneously. So this is a star connected system. Okay, so with this we will be having certain this kind of problem we have done last time also. So these are the impedances 5 minus J2 ohms, that is one impedance across this, we can say, A phase. Then there's a load connected to it, which is 10 plus J8 ohms. Okay, 10 plus J8 ohms. Then along with this, again the same value, because that it's a balanced circuit, 5 minus J2 ohms. Okay, 5 minus J2 ohms, and this will be your B phase. Along with that, again the resistance of same 10 plus J8 will be connected. Fine. So this is B phase, this is A phase. This we can say some resistance, say Z1. This can be some ZL1, say for example. Similarly, this can be ZL2, this can be Z2, anything. You can just name them. Okay, just a minute, beta. Okay, then next is again the third one, which is the C phase, again Z3, whose value will be same, 5 minus J2 ohms. Okay, then this is your C phase. Fine. And the same value, that is 10 plus J8, will be connected to this phase. Is this problem visible to all of you? So I'll be giving you the
Yes,
values
ma'am.
of the voltages now.
Yes.
The value of voltage is 110 angle 0 degrees for A phase. This is A phase. Okay. Then about B, again, what would be the value? We can say the magnitude will be same. This will be 110. And what about the angle? Minus 120. And in the third one, this is your B. This will be your C. Okay, in C it is 110 angle minus. Is it clear? Visible to everybody whatever I am writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So note it down. Then we need to solve it up. So all these impedances, they are same. This one, and this one, they are same. Then 10 plus J8, 10 plus J8, 10 plus 8, they are all same. So we can write down the question also, what you need to find in this. Calculate the line currents in three wire star star system. Understood the question? You have to calculate the line currents. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So just
ma'am.
find it. We have done it already. Very simple one. You need to find the impedance, that is the equivalent impedance you will find in this. Say for example, we will talk of this particular branch, this Z1 plus ZL1. So this will give you the equivalent impedance of them. Then you can find the current in this particular branch. Do it. I'll be giving you 5 minutes. Do it up, then tell me. Okay, you have started doing it. What is the first step you are going to do in this? So first we need to find the currents in these three branches. So firstly, we will be finding IA. What will be its value? For that, we need to find.
Z equivalent is equals.
Is it clear to everybody? ZL plus ZL1.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what is the value for these two? We can say equivalent
15
value for
plus 6J.
16.15.
15 plus
6J.
16. Okay.
6J.
6J.
6G, ma'am.
You are talking in rectangular components.
Yes, ma'am.
It is 5 minus J2 plus 10 minus 10 plus J8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यही होगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the polar equivalent of it?
16.16 angle 21.8.
1.5.
16.15 angle 21.8.
Yes. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we need to find the value of current IA that you can easily find. V we have. For the A, what is the value of P that we are given?
110 angle.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what's the value for IA?
6.8 angle minus
6.81
21.8.
angle
Yes.
minus
Minus 20.
21.8.
1.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what will be the phase for value for next phase? Anybody can tell me
6.8
from this
angle
value?
minus 1
Magnitude will remain same. That will be 6.8. What about the
angle
angle?
Yes, ma'am.
minus
Minus
141.8.
141.8.
Yes,
Minus 120.
141.8. Yes. And about the third one?
Minus
Again, the magnitude will
261.8.
be same. What
Minus
about its value?
261.8.
Angle?
Minus 261.8.
Yes, minus 260. Or you can say plus 98.2 also.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Either you can take
Yes, ma'am.
minus 240 or plus 120, any of the two, depending upon the phase sequence. So this is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'll write the values, those who have not listened. And what about the third one? Okay, here you can see, all of you can just check this, what we had already discussed in the previous classes, that the magnitude will be same. What is varying is this value, depending upon, first it is angle 0 degrees, then it is 120, then it is minus 240. Is it clear to everybody now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay. One more question, just write down. Just write it down and give me the values. One more question for this. A balanced, write down the question. A balanced ABC, the phase sequence is ABC. A balanced ABC sequence. All of you now understand what do you mean by the phase sequence? It is star connected. ABC star connected with VAN, that is the voltage across AN, is equal to 100 angle 10 degree, this much of volts. Okay, is connected, star is connected to डेल्टा कनेक्टेड लोड. अभी तक हमने स्टार स्टार किया था. नाउ वी कैन डू इट फॉर स्टार डेल्टा. This is your supply, this is your load. So it is connected to a delta connected load, delta connected balanced load. Okay, of value 8 plus J4. Is it clear? Question is clear. I'll repeat. A balanced ABC sequence, star connected source, okay, star connected source with VAN, is equal to 100 angle 10 degrees, this much of volt, is connected to delta connected balanced node of 8 plus J4 ohms. Okay, calculate phase and line currents. Is it clear to everybody? Question is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just you are given the value of one load. That means, and it is given, or it is written in the question that it is a balanced load. That means all the three are same. ये clear हो गया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Then he has given you value of one phase voltage. ये star connected है. That means one value is given to you. Rest you can find.
Yes, ma'am.
PBN and PCN आप find कर सकते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have to find these values, and finally you need to calculate the phase and line currents. Yes, give me the values. So can you tell me what is the value of VAN is there? Then for that you need to find the line voltages also. What is VAB? Phase voltage is given to you, VAN is equal to 100 angle 10. What about VAB?
100 angle minus 110.
हाँ, क्या वैल्यू होगी उसकी VAB की?
I mean polar form or Cartesian form.
देखो बना बच्चे, ध्यान से सुनो सब लोग. I have given you the value. Everybody just listen carefully. I have given you the value of VAN, which is the phase voltage. Na? And you are asked to find phase current and line current. So firstly, you need to find across this particular phase, we can say the line voltage. So what will be the line voltage for this? That will be VAB. अगर ये स्टार है, ये आपका स्टार कनेक्टेड सिस्टम है. There is one between these two. Say for example, this is starting from this end, A, B and C. So between these two will be VAB. होगा कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
And there will be one voltage over here, which will be with respect to this. I'll draw it again. यहाँ पे अगर आपने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है, this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. So one will be between these two phases. So it will be VAB. Is it clear? And one will be in this particular, we can say, phase. So this will be VAN. ये clear हो गया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. This is given to you. Its value is given to you as दिया हुआ है ना, 110 angle degrees. So what will be the value of VAB now?
Under root 3 into 100
Under root
angle
3.
Yes. With angle
30.
होगा ना? This will be. Is it clear?
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
Yes,
होगा
ma'am.
ना? VAN angle 3 under root 3. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
value? That is what I am asking
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
What is the value for VAB? बताओ कितना है? पहले तो ये बताओ, is it clear to everybody what is VAB and what is VAN?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
write it now as this is given to you, VAN. है ना? With this angle, we will just take the magnitude and 30. So it will be 100 root 3.
40, angle 40 degree.
ठीक है?
173.2 angle 40.
हाँ. Is it clear to everybody? This much of volts. ये सबको क्लियर हो गया VAB?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एवरीबडी. और डायग्राम से यहाँ देखो दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है. I'll just again draw it. अपने दिमाग में और ध्यान में इसको क्लियर करो बेटा. ये आपका कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहना चाहिए. What is VAN and what is this? I'll again draw it. Those who have not understood, they can understand it. Now see. ये आ गए आपके तीनों, ए बी एंड सी। एक बार और बोल देती हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो। ये एन है, ये आपका आ गया वी ए एन, और ये इन दोनों के बीच में आ गया वी ए बी। सिमिलरली वैसे ही आपका ए सी आ जाएगा, वैसे ही आपका बिटवीन दिस बी है ना, ये सी आ गया, ठीक है।
BBC.
these two ये विल बी, और अपना अपना इसका एंगल का, अपने अपने फेस का वोल्टेज भी होगा। अगर ये सी है तो ये सी एन हो गया, ये बी है तो बी एन हो गया। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो अब मुझे
Yes,
नेक्स्ट
ma'am.
दो बता दो सब। आप लोग मुझे वैल्यूज बताएंगे। अब बी ए बी हो गया। नाउ यू विल फाइंड द फेज करंट्स। आई हैव गिवन यू द वैल्यू फॉर फेज वोल्टेज एज वेल एज लाइन वोल्टेज। So what is the phase current?
11.18 angle minus 16.6 degree.
कौन सा? आई ए बी?
नहीं मैम, IA निकाल लिया, मैं IA भी निकाल रहा हूँ.
हाँ बताओ। और फिर लाइन करंट्स भी बताना है। That will be IA, IB, and IC. This will be IAB, IBC, ICA. So find all these values.
मैम IAB होगा मैम 19.36 एंगल
Yes.
13.43।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This much amperes. Fine with everybody?
Ma'am, same answer.
हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट बताते जाओ।
मैम एंगल चेंज होगा मैम -106.57।
ठीक है। हाँ, फिर लाइन करंट्स भी कैलकुलेट करके बताओ। Do the line currents and then tell me the answers. I'll wait for 5 minutes. So you have done? Tell me the answers. What are the answers? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answers for line current and phase current. Hurry up. First we have written already 19.36. Next is same magnitude.
Angle
Angle?
minus 106.57.
Yes.
Minus 16.6.
And
One
third will be
133.4.
again
19.36 angles 16.56.
133.43.
133.4.
minus, or we can say 133.43. Okay, similarly do the hello. Hanji beta, what about the line currents? IA, IB and IC? It will be
IA
just
is equal to
multiply 3.
11.18 angle minus 16.6 degree.
Yes, we just multiply that value with root 3 angle minus
3.
30. So yes, what will be the value? Say if you start with the first, we can say value for IA. So IA is ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay? Then what about IB? Again, this will be same.
Angle is minus
136
156.57.
136.57.
ठीक है, दिस मच एम्पियर लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर नहीं लिखोगे तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, ये ध्यान रखना. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने एंगल क्या लिया है, -120. यहाँ पर लिया है प्लस, मैं इसको -240 भी ले सकती हूँ, तो आपकी वैल्यू माइनस में आएगी. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है भाई, सबको समझ आ गया? ओके. Now these kind of problems you should be able to do. Write down one more, and then we can shift to the next. One more problem लिखो. A balanced delta connected. अब ध्यान से सुनना. This is now delta connected. A balanced जब word आ गया तो you have to understand all the three impedances in the phrases, they are same. That's why this balanced word is written. So he's saying a balanced, okay, balanced three-phase delta connected. Balanced three-phase, balanced delta connected load with an impedance of 20 minus J 15 ohms Fine. 20 minus J 15 ohms is connected to a डेल्टा कनेक्टेड लोड. ठीक है, ये आपका लोड विथ इम्पिडेंस 20 minus J 15 ohm is connected to a delta connected sequence generator, means supply. जो आपका सप्लाई है that is also delta connected, having VAB equal to 330 angle 0 degree. I'll repeat, balanced delta connected load having an impedance 20 minus J15 ohms is connected to a delta connected sequence generator with VAB equal to 330 angle 0 degree volts. ठीक है, calculate the phase currents, calculate the phase currents of the load. ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा, लिख लिया सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And also find the line currents. Okay, so these two you need to do. You can do it yourselves, leave it, do it afterwards. ठीक है, अब आप एक पावर का क्वेश्चन लिख लो. ये तो आपके वोल्टेजेस और करंट्स के हो गए. एक पावर का क्वेश्चन लिख लो. जस्ट राइट डाउन. Just a minute. Yes, the very first problem that we have that we did. Do you have the diagram for that? I'll just show you that diagram. Refer to that circuit. This one. Refer to this
Yes, ma'am.
circuit. ठीक है, ये वाला. Okay, everybody, write down the question. Referring to this circuit, ये आपके पास है circuit. So write down referring to this. Say for example, question number 1. We will say refer to question number 1. Figure of question number 1. Refer to figure of question number 1. ठीक है, determine the total power, or we can say the average power. ठीक है, referring to figure this, determine average power. First you have to find this, then reactive power. This also we have done in last class. Okay, and we can see the apparent power. ठीक है, at the load end. कर लोगे इसको? Voltages or currents are there already with you. We have done that question. Voltages or current are with you. You need to find the power. Okay. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So these are some of the problems that you need to do in these three-phase circuits. ठीक है? So these are some kind of problems you सबने करनी है. Fine. In addition to this, so this is we can say all about this particular topic of three-phase systems, or we can say then we did the power in a three-phase system. That also we have done, balanced three-phase system power. Then after this, we will be doing some of the problems on that AC also. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, write down one question on the AC. We can say finding the power in the AC circuits also. So we have already done that AC circuit. Just write the single phase जो हमने किया था. One question for that also, because we will be starting with the next topic in next class. Till then, we'll be doing one more question. Write down two coils A and B. Everybody just write down two coils A and B. Two coils A and B are connected in series. Are connected in series across a 240 volt 50 hertz across 240 volt 50 hertz supply. A and B in series with 240 volt 50 hertz supply. Okay. Then find out the resistance RA. The resistance RA of resistor A is equal to 5 ohms. Okay. And
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
okay, two coils A and B are connected in series across a 240 volt 50 hertz supply. The resistance RA, okay, resistance RA of A, we can say resistor is equal to 5 ohms, and inductance of coil B, that is LB, is equal to 0.015 Henry. ठीक है, लिख लिया यहाँ तक
Yes,
सबने?
ma'am.
Full stop. The active and reactive powers, active and reactive powers are 3 kilowatt and 2 kVAR. Now you can understand kilowatt, that means this is active power, this is in watts. Var ka matlab, this is the reactive power. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So active and reactive powers are 3 kilowatt and 2 kVAR respectively. Find resistance RB of coil B. ठीक है? Resistance of coil B and inductance of coil A. And also find voltage drop. Also find the voltage drop across. Also find the voltage drop across each coil. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ना, तो कैसे करोगे इसको बताओ. So first of all, we are given the apparent power, that is the magnitude of complex powers. That means if you just remember that expression of we can say S. So we can just say S is equal to if you remember apparent power S.
I square Z.
This is can be written in terms of yes I square Z it is. It can be written in terms of P and Q. So you can find it P and Q are there with you. ठीक है?
Ma'am.
Is it clear? Active and reactive power है ना आपके पास?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can find the current very easily. Apparent power divided by the voltage. That is also given to you. ठीक है?
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है? And all of us know P. It will be I square. अब यहाँ पर Z from that can you calculate RB?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everybody? Similarly, reactive power all of us know is equal to
Q.
बताया था ना
Correct, sir.
x के टर्म्स में होगा ना ठीक है x आ गया तो आप LA फाइंड कर सकते हो
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कर सकते हो ना रिएक्टेंस
Sir.
आ गया तो इंडक्टेंस तो आ जाएगा ना
Yes, ma'am.
that means first is this expression you can find the value of resistance then is your this expression you can find the value of inductance by finding the reactance you can find inductance done then if you have found this then your ZA again across this plus होगा ये ठीक है you can find ZB also
Sir.
ये ठीक है तो आप कर सकते हो ना वोल्टेजेस फाइंड
Yes, ma'am.
am I clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये वाला एक्सप्रेशन ये क्लियर है ना is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
so you can find the voltages क्या क्या पूछा था आपसे अब एक बार ही देख लो you were asked to find the resistances तो आ जाएगा आपके पास इंडक्टेंस आ जाएगा उसके बाद voltage drop across each coil that means VA and VB so that you can find current will be same so it will ZA and ZB ZA and ZB will be in terms of RA XA and RB XB ठीक है RB आ जाएगा LA आ जाएगा is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
so this
Yes,
question also you will be doing okay so do it and those who are able to do it just give me the answers
Okay, ma'am.
you will start with this point and do it So if you start with S, what is the value of S that you have calculated? Is it you are getting this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is your S. Okay, you can note it down. Now what about current?
15.02 ampere approximate.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
anybody? Okay, then
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about P? And from that we can calculate RA and RB. Yes,
RB is equal to 8.33 ohm approx.
yes. So it is clear to everybody. Then about Q, and from Q we have calculated XA. What is XA? 4.155.
4.155 ohm.
Okay, ohms. And what about LA? Okay, LA is clear to everybody. 0.013 Henry. 2 rather.
Yes,
132.
ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next step, that was ZA, from which we calculated the value of ZB. So what is ZB? Is it you are getting this answer? ZB RB square plus XB square. ठीक है, उसके लिए
Ma'am.
first what was ZA?
Yes, ma'am.
ये ठीक है, RA plus XA. RA was with us, that was 5 square and XA 4.15. यहाँ से हमने कैलकुलेट किया ना XA, यहाँ से. So we can put it in this equation. Is it clear or not? ZA.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear,
ZA
ma'am.
clear है बेटा? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we could find ZB also. Okay.
9.28, 9.5. Yes, ma'am. Approximately. Yeah.
Okay. Then what
9.31.
about VA and VB? Very simple. We have I also, that is 15.02, and ZA also. That is 6.50. So answer is
97.5.
okay. And what about VB?
143.
Because your I is again 15.03 and ZB is 9.5. ठीक है, सबको क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
VA VB is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा. Clear to everybody
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So these kind of problems you need to practice. Okay. And now you will be doing 10 problems in which, just note it down again for this particular topic, you will be doing 10 problems in which 5 will be on series RLC. This is for single phase. Okay. Single phase RLC या RLC. 5 will be on parallel. ठीक है? Among which there should be at least 5 to 6 problems which are unsolved. Okay, from the book you mention, or book problem ke just in front of the problem you have to write the name of the book and page number. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are 10, and 10
Yes,
problems you
ma'am.
will be doing from P-phase. Okay, ठीक है. This is your
Ma'am.
assignment number 4. 3 I have already given.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your assignment number 4. Is it clear with everybody or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll just create one link and both the assignments you will upload till this Friday. Okay? So 10 problems on
Ma'am,
this and
last
10 on this. Is it
experiment
clear to
problem
everybody?